In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through some of the key settings on your Shopify store to manage customer events in pixels. This process will help streamline your operations and optimize the data you collect from customer interactions on your site. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open Shopify and head to the homepage of My Store. You can do this by going to the Shopify admin area. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials securely and access your store's dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, your journey into the settings begins. Now, on the main dashboard, look for the Settings option and give it a click. This section is packed with a variety of settings that allow you to manage different aspects of your store. From payment gateways to shipping details, everything lives here. But today, our focus is on customer events, which are crucial for understanding customer behavior and tracking interactions. After clicking on Settings, you will need to locate the Customer Events section. Clicking on this will take you to a page dedicated to managing all the activities associated with your customers. This is where the magic happens in terms of gathering and interpreting data to improve your customer relations and boost your store's performance. At the Customer Events page, locate and click on All. This section will give you an overview of all the events happening in your store related to customers. It's an essential feature for anyone looking to maintain a keen eye on how customers are engaging with their products and offerings. Next, we're moving on to App Pixels. App Pixels are small bits of code that track user interactions on your site. They're brilliantly useful for collecting valuable data that helps shape your marketing decisions. As you click on App Pixels, this brings you into a space where you can manage and review all the app-related data tied to your customer events. Finally, let's move on to Custom Pixels. This step is where you can define custom tracking events to capture very specific interactions that might not be covered by your default pixels. Custom pixels offer flexibility and control, allowing you to tailor the data collection to fit the unique needs of your business operations. These steps allow you to keep a finger on the pulse of customer engagement, ultimately aiding your strategy in improving user experiences and boosting sales. And that's it. By following these steps, you will have successfully navigated the intricate web of customer events and pixels in your Shopify store, setting yourself up for improved data analysis and marketing strategy outcomes. Remember, understanding these features is instrumental in giving your store a competitive edge. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, stay productive and keep refining your Shopify store.